Gaurish, today I just wanted to meet you to understand how Neevay is working for your company.
I will call Neevay as my personal purchasing manager because what happens is when you are in a young growing company, you are unable to hire the right resources when it comes to purchase because you have very budget constraints. कि मैंने Neevay को बहुत extensively use किया है बहुत purchases के लिए. Anything that saves time is very ideal when it comes to real. So far, the platform has been a very good experience for me. I've got very good vendors. I finalized a vendor in the last week who's working as a waterproofing consultant as well as a contractor for me. Vendor finalize करते हो उसका जो time रहता है वो time duration बहुत ज़्यादा cut down हो जाता है. Generally what happens is कोई भी contractor हम real estate में final करने जाते हैं तो बहुत सारी scrutiny back end पे होती है. You have to check all the references, you have to check all the work that they have delivered. So all of these things get optimized through Neevay. So at the end, what you can do is you can go in the marketplace, you can see with whom they have worked before, what is the size of the company, what specific things they can offer as long as it comes to developing a project. So ये सब चीज़ें Neevay में मुझे available हुई. And you won't believe that I put the RFQ. One day prior to finalizing, and the next day I had the vendor finalized.
Thank you so much. I am really glad to hear that this platform is helping a lot.